How to change language in Google Earth. So here is how to change language. So let's get started. So basically, you will have to change your device's settings in order to change the language in Google Earth because it follows your device's system language. So in MacBook, all you have to do is tap on the Apple icon at the top left corner of your screen and navigate to the system settings or system preferences according to your macOS version. Now here navigate to the general. Inside general tap on the language and reason. There you will get to see some options available. Now all you have to do is tap on the plus icon available there and scroll down and choose the language you prefer for Google Earth. And all you have to do is simply tap on it and tap on the next. And once it is saved, all you have to do is open the Google Earth and you can check whether it has been saved or not. And that will be, if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.